What's up, Naughty Spider? This is another damn. Hold up. What's up, Naughty Spider? Welcome back to my channel, Spider Gang. If you're new here, welcome in, and if you're old here, welcome back, baby girl and baby boy. Actually, let me take that back. Welcome back, Spider Gang. Anyways, guys, so today finally we are having a vlog moment. Okay, a vlog moment. So I am going to a Dodger Hello Kitty game today, and we have crocheted an outfit for it. So it was kind of crazy because I wasn't gonna go, guys. My plan was not to go to this Dodger Hello Kitty game, but I'm going and I'm happy, and we'll see how that goes, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna be going, girl, and it's gonna be crazy, and we'll see how that goes, guys. I have crocheted an outfit, of course I have. Okay, I'm putting some lotion on my feet because your girl has dry skin, so she gotta stay moisturized, and my face is so dry, but I'm gonna shave it right now, so that's why it's still gonna stay dry. We have crocheted this beautiful outfit. Now it's probably mirrored, so to you guys the LA doesn't look like LA, it looks like freaking weird, but when you see it in real life you could see the LA symbols, you know what I mean? This is the skirt. So what I just showed you was the shirt, and this is the skirt moment. So she is so cute, guys. A little big, honestly, because I steamed it and it got a little bit bigger than it should have, but we're okay. Let me try it on actually, because now I'm scared. Now I'm scared, ho. Yeah, so I made it a little bigger than I wanted it to, guys, and I didn't realize it until today, that after I steamed it and I let it dry. But it's okay. I'm not mad at it. We're just gonna have to work with what we got, and that's it. We're just gonna have to work with what we got. I feel like it's still gonna eat. The outfit is still gonna eat, but you know how it is. So let me go ahead and connect. I am gonna get on the live stream, guys. My main priority was to get on the live stream, so we're gonna do that, and we're then gonna go ahead and Jardine. Let me erase this. Let's get into it. I'm shy. I'm nervous. I'm shy. And I'm nervous. So my plan is to leave by 3:30. It's 2:42, guys. I only have like 30 minutes to get ready, but I'm sure we're gonna do it. Okay, let's go ahead and get ready now. Hey guys, so we are here. We just got here. We made it at 5:11 p.m. My plan was to get here at 5 o'clock p.m. but we're still Gucci. We're still Gucci. We're still on time. Pero there's a bunch of people, guys.
I'm gonna park right here.
Like, yeah, perfect. Like a bunch of people. So now I'm kind of scared that we got here a little late. All bad, but we're here, and honestly I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh my god, that is a spider.
Where?
Right there. All right guys, we are here. I'm not gonna take my camera because these fools are very strict with, like, oh my god, what was that?
That was a chair.
The chair.
Yeah.
Let's put some sunscreen on too, y'all. What? Put some sunscreen on too. So guys, this is literally my freaking outfit. I can't believe we made it. Not you showing that skin, is it? Not him showing off that skin, guys.
The heck?
He ended up getting his shirt, guys.
Yeah. What time do you think the Dodgers game?
And?
Yeah.
Well, how long does it take? Like 2 hours? So like at 9 or 10, the latest?
Yeah, okay. Trying to like bend it a little bit.
Or you like those type of hats, huh? I noticed.
Well, the snapbacks? Or like the one that...
The bandit hats from the
A little
front.
bit, yeah.
I noticed. Turn off the car. Should not be on this long. Should not. Ready? The Dodger Stadium is over there. And now my hair is looking kind of crazy. We are here, y'all. Zaya, say hi.
What's good with it? Got my blue shirt.
Guys, blue shirt, guys. Okay, we will see you guys over there. I'm not gonna record with my camera, guys. I'm gonna record with my phone because I cannot take my camera. Love you guys. See you guys in a bit. Oh yeah, wait. Record my outfit actually. Come here. You see? Oh, you can't even see, huh?
Oh, yeah.
It's packed. Yeah, it's good. Thank you. Guys, we're here. We made it. And we got the bag. We got here early enough to get the bag, guys. Yes.
Crazy.
Bye.
Next question. Which of Hello Kitty's friends is celebrating their 50th anniversary this year? Okay, is it A, B, Choco Cat, or C, Melody? I did not want to mess that up. Pom Pom Marine, okay. C, everyone's going C. C, My Melody is correct. All right, we're almost done, guys.
Fast 3.
Friends, My Melody and Kuromi, along with Toku Uri Suji. Take it away.
It's time for Dodger Baseball.
Guys, we are back. We're back. And I just knocked out one video. This is my second video. But girl, oh my god, was that game good shit. Guys, it was such a great experience. Honestly, guys, like the Dodgers, I'm pretty sure in all other baseball stadiums too, I don't know, but in the Dodger stadium, like, you're not allowed to take any bags anymore unless it's a see-through bag. Yeah, girl, they want to see all up in there. They only accept see-through bags now, which honestly, like, I don't mind, because I ain't taking anything. Back in the day when I used to drink, oh yeah, I'll be taking something, you know. But now, girl, I ain't taking anything. But it was such a great experience, guys. The Hello Kitty crocheted outfit, I did want to record that, but girl, I was so busy and I didn't even think that I was gonna vlog it. It was a super last minute call. But I do want to crochet another outfit, my costume for Halloween. So we're gonna be crocheting that, and I will do a whole vlog, behind the scenes type of moment, so you guys could see the whole process. Either way, on TikTok I will be posting a video of the behind the scenes process. So if you want to check it out, make sure to follow me on TikTok. I will be posting an entire behind the scenes moment when I go and get my yarn from Michael's, when I go buy the yarn, when I start sketching out the outfit, when I'm doing the outfit, behind the scenes moment, when I go to the game, and all that stuff. So yeah, so I did make an entire video about that, about the whole Dodger experience. So make sure to watch it if you guys want to see that whole process of behind the scenes, me crocheting and me picking on my yarn, things like that. Other than that, guys, that was it for that video. I loved it. It was so awesome, guys. I wish I could have brought my actual camera, but I wasn't able to bring a bag. I didn't have a see-through bag like that, and I just didn't end up bringing it. Other than that, that's about it, guys. I have nothing else for us besides I will be working on a new video. New videos will be dropping, new tutorial videos will also be dropping, and all that good stuff. So I love you guys. You guys have a good one. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. If you guys have any questions, any suggestions, any opinions, make sure to drop it. Okay, love you guys. Also, don't forget to support me on all my other platforms. If you support the Crochet Homegirl, link is in the bio, in my link tree. I have a IG, I have a Facebook, I have a TikTok, a Twitch. I do go on live on Twitch too, a more in real life type of moment. And remember, on TikTok I do live stream Tuesdays through Saturdays at 11 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, guys. All right, guys, I love y'all, and I will see you on the other one. I mean, the next one. Bye.